So what we've got the drive here, we've got our tank, our sump, we've got our level transducer. You can also bring in a flow meter directly into this drive as well, so that it will speed up the best efficiency point calculation to determine where this pump needs to operate to save energy, which will reduce your energy cost by averages about 25%. This is actually showing the energy, will show your energy savings accumulated over time. So it gives you a real world feedback of what you would be saving versus a traditional across the line application or on a soft start. The best efficiency point calculation will take approximately 1 to 2 days without a flow meter attached to it. If you do have a flow meter, we'll speed that up to take about a half a day to do that calculation. This is showing your actual sump level, speed of the pump, current of the pump, status of the pump that is at max speed right now. And as we keep going down as the level keeps dropping, there's a best efficiency point range, and when that reaches that best efficiency point range, the speed of the pump, now you can see here now, it is slowing down to operate in that best efficiency point range. The voltage that this drive supports is from 230 volts to 480 volts. And that is a very important factor because in most wastewater applications, some of them are 230 volts, some of them could be 208 volts, some of them could be 460 volts. So now you have a single drive can work across many, many locations to reduce down your inventory costs in your facility. The keypad, this keypad is fully removable. It is fully gasketed. This is an IP54 up through 31 amps, and you can also get this available in further up in an IP54 to 293 amps. We also offer this in an IP20 class product, so where it's being incorporated into a control panel as a retrofit. It does have the ability to bring in additional inputs, outputs. It'll also give you the ability to have a real-time clock built into this, so it is time and date stamped. It will show you the actual level inside this that's going on right now in the pit. It will give you the ability to give you an overflow warning level, such that if, say, I turn this drive off, we allow this flow to transition back to the pit very rapidly, and it will build up, and it gives us a warning that we've now reached a pre-overflow. And if we do achieve a overflow, it will give us a time and date stamp on how long a duration that was. So then we turn this back into automatic mode. The drive will start back up, and then reduce the level down in the pit. This drive does come as an optional feature that you can have a external 24 volt DC power supply, so it can be powered from a separate source, so that if you do need to lock out, tag out because one pump is down, the master is still controlling the network, and the standalone drive or second drive will run and control and evacuate the pit as a standalone application.